Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Orgain organic plant-based protein powder vanilla bean, vegan, low-net carbs, non-dairy, gluten-free, lactose-free, no sugar added, soy-free, kosher, non-GMO, 2.03 pound. Most protein shakes taste chalky or gritty, but Orgain has a great taste and can be blended with any base including orange juice. He won his cancer battle, became a doctor, and then brought his product to the people so others could benefit from pure organic quality nutrition. 85% of his nutrition is from Orgain, the other 15% is from juices and a boost of fluoridics, iron and herbs. My friend's children have many allergies and intolerances, so they are also drinking only Orgain and they are growing and thriving. It is very high in protein, and for those who are trying to find an alternative to red meat, this is a great product and can be mixed into your favorite after mealtime snacks. It tastes like a milkshake. Most protein powders have some sort of aftertaste if you don't mix it with anything but water. When compared to Shakeology's vegan shake, Orgain definitely has the upper hand in nutrition and sells it at the fraction of the cost. Mixing stomach issues and lifting heavy weights can lead to a not so pleasurable experience, so this is an amazing alternative to dairy-based protein powders. This generally includes a banana, plain whole milk yogurt, a pulpy fruit such as apple, mango or pineapple, fresh or frozen berries, and almond milk for the liquid. Skip the yogurt if you want, but for me it adds healthy protein and provides a nice creaminess to the drink. With this powder it could be that it might cake together if it doesn't have the extra space to roll around. May not be for everyone, but if you like foods drinks on the bland side, this is a protein shake for you. Almost a little too plant tasting, maybe it blends well in a shaker, but don't even think about putting it straight into a blender if you want to add protein to your smoothie. It has a really good buy for your money. Perfect fit protein powder is my favorite tasting, but is about twice the price. This organic plant-based protein powder has a much better flavor and is now my product of choice for my smoothies. Of course it isn't going to taste like you're way loaded with sugar or artificial sweeteners. It's much more bland but also much more natural. Along with removing any soda and all alcohol from my daily routine, Orgain has helped me drop 75 pounds in 11 months. It gets an A on my Food Kit app, which tells me how healthy something is based on added or artificial ingredients. The taste is also middle of the road, but easily covered up by a scoop of peanut butter or anything else. This product has some of the best amounts of the essential and non-essential amino acids of any of the protein powders out there, even the more expensive so-called premium brands. The formula is a blend of different plant-based proteins, which makes it a complete protein with full amino acids profile. Noted as pretty sweet, so if you don't like a truly sweet hit, this is not the powder for you. Costco sells the same powder but with blue top instead of green, and its flavor is much better than this one. The shake leaves me full, gives me plenty of energy for exercise, and gets me through the morning without feeling hungry. 5 scoops of powder with a banana, unsweetened almond milk, a half to a full teaspoon of peanut butter, some frozen blueberries, and a handful of spinach. It's especially refreshing in the summer, whether you work out a lot or have health issues. This is your new best friend. This powder has met all my expectations. Easy digestion, no sweeteners, good texture, works well as a post-workout protein meal. You can add your post-workout creatine or amino acids to it. It does have a slightly different taste that may be the added sweetener than other powders, but add a bit of cinnamon and the taste goes away. It makes me wonder if the 1 pound tub is also only half full, or if this is a 1 pound tub put into a 2 pounds container. Honestly, not a huge fan of the flavor, but for how much protein there is and the fact that there is no dairy or sugar added, it's not bad. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.